Bookmasher has an amazing sale right now for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Now you can get the LTD. Usually we have an exclusive coupon to get 10% off. Now you can actually get 20% off the LTD of Bookmasher. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. You follow the steps, you'll be able to go ahead and take advantage of it. Down in the description below, I'm going to have the link that goes directly to there so that you can go ahead and take advantage of this. It's justdeal.info/Bookmasher. I'm also going to have it in the description below. So right here at the top, you see justdeal.info/Bookmaster. Click the link in the description below. It'll take you right here. Now, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom. You have the ability to buy this monthly, but if you want to go ahead and get 20% off the lifetime, you scroll all the way to the bottom. And right here, there's going to be frequently asked questions. Is there an LTD? We're going to go ahead and click on this. We say, click here to go ahead and grab it. We're going to click there. And then right here, now usually you have the exclusive discount right here of Daniel 10. So if you have missed the Black Friday discount, you can get 10% off. But right here, we'll go ahead and put it in. So we click here. It's going to take us to the page. We have the lifetime deal. And we can go ahead and put my exclusive coupon here, and it gives you 10% off. It gives you $100 off. But right now, if you go ahead and put this code in here, we'll go ahead and cancel this one. We'll go ahead and put in the new code. You can go ahead and claim this until Monday. For the next couple of days, we hit apply. Right now, you can get 20% off, $200 off. And this is the lifetime. Now, remember, on Bookmasher, you have the ability to go ahead and make nonfiction books, illustrated books for your cookbooks, your coffee table books, and your children's books, activity books with coloring books, word search books, crossword puzzles. So if you see here inside the app, we do have the cookbooks available, travel guides, DIY books, coloring books, gardening books, word search puzzles, and crossword puzzles. And they're getting ready to launch children's books soon, where it's going to create the image and the story for you, as well as coffee table books as well. You're able to go ahead and use this inside of your OpenAI key. And with the OpenAI key, you're making books for 18 to 19 cents a piece using ChatGPT 4o Mini. So this is amazing, and you get lifetime. It automatically creates it for you. You put it into our favorite app if you follow my channel, or if you follow our Productivity Action Takers Squad, Accountability Action Takers Squad, the favorite app where we just paste it in there and we get guaranteed books that are approved every single time. But like I said, Bookmasher right now does have the Black Friday deal. It has a lifetime deal. And if you go ahead and put the exclusive coupon code that's down in the description right next to the link to get to the page, you can get that deal for yourself today and save $200. Now remember, if you miss the Black Friday, which I don't know why you would, but if you miss the Black Friday, you can also use our exclusive coupon to get 10% off instead. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Passive Cash Stacker.